Hello everyone. Today we are going to take one very simple question from a partnership accounting related to partner's capital account. So let's first read the question. The question is Shiv and Hari entered into partnership on 1st April 2017 contributing 5 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. Hari also introduced 1 lakh as additional capital on 1st July 2017. They agreed to share profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2. Following information is provided regarding the partnership. Shiv and Hari each are allowed a salary of 5,000 per quarter. Here, quarter means yearly 4 times. They have paid a salary. And second one is interest is to be allowed on capital at the rate of 8% per annum and charged on drawing at 10% per annum. Then drawings of Shiv and Hari during the year were 12,000 and 10,000 respectively. Profits as at 31st March 2018 before the above mentioned adjustment was 1,96,000. Here in this question they have asked us to pass the journal entries related to the appropriations of profit. Second is the profit and loss appropriation account and the partner's capital account. So let's start. This is the proper format for the books of accounts. All these columns are very much necessary to maintain. Whether the question has mentioned the date or not, this is important to make all the columns like date, particulars, ledger folio, debit and credit. So let me tell you the exact story or a short story of this question. So let's see a flow chart for this. So let me tell you this. Hari and Shiv are partners who share their profits in the ratio of 3:2. Okay, this is their profit sharing ratio. And this is now these are the adjustments which are made during the year 2017 to 18. On 1st April 2017, they bought capital into their business. Shiv bought 5 lakh and Hari bought 2 lakh. And then on 1st July 2017, Hari bought additional capital. Only Hari who has bought the additional capital of rupees 1 lakh. Okay. Next, in between this calendar year or in between this financial year, sorry, this is not a calendar year, this is the financial year. They both were allowed a salary of rupees 5,000 per quarter. Per quarter means here for every 3 months they got 5,000 as salary. So yearly 4 times they will be getting this salary of 5,000 rupees. Both the partners are allowed an interest on capital at the rate of 8% on the capital they has bought. So for their capital they got 8% per annum. Also they has some drawings like Shiv has drawn 12,000 rupees and Hari draws 10,000 rupees. For on their drawings they were charged interest on drawings at the rate of 10% per annum. At the last 31st March 2018, they got a profit of rupees 1,96,000. We pass the journal entries. Always remember the entry starts from here. First, we post the profit to the profit and loss appropriation account, means the amount which we got or the profit or loss which we got from profit and loss account, we transfer it to the profit and loss appropriation account. So this will be our first entry. So let's post all the journal entries first. So the first entry will be for the transfer of profit to the profit and loss appropriation account dated 31st March 2018. The entry will be profit and loss account, debit to profit and loss appropriation account. Amount is 1,96,000. This is now. Always remember that narration is very important. We have to write all the narrations after every posting or every entries. We have to write the narration for that entry. Narration is nothing but the explanation for every posting. For every posting, whatever the explanation is, we write it in the narration box. So the narration will be the transfer of profit to the profit and loss appropriation account. So the next entry will be for the salary. For the salary, we have to post two entries. First will be for the distribution of salary. Next will be the transfer of partner salary to the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay, so let's post. As they has not mentioned the date, so we will assume the same date for the salary also. So here I am using this symbol for the same date. The posting will be like a partner salary to each partners. So here here salary is 5,000 per quarter, means into 4. So 20,000, 20,000. So the total will be 40,000. Okay, the entry will be salary to partners for same date. Now this partner salary will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. So profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner salary. Here once the partner salary has been debited, so next we will credit the partner salary, and here the profit and loss appropriation will be debited. So the amount will be 40,000, 40,000. The total amount which are going to transfer to the profit and loss appropriation account. So the narration will be the transfer of the transfer of partner salary to the profit and loss appropriation account. Next, we will post the interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum. Actually, we are posting according to the adjustments given in the question. So, we will transfer it. Here also the date is not mentioned, so we are assuming the same date for the capital also. So, here same date. Interest on capital also include two entries. First one, division of interest on capital between the partners, and the next will be the transfer of interest on capital to the profit and loss appropriation account. So first we will divide the interest on capital according to the capital introduced by them. I am writing it in a short form, so I am writing here IOC. You have to write this in a full form. So IOC account debit to Shiv capital to Hari capital. Now here needs a calculation. So we will do it in our working note area. So here I suggest you to always write or always calculate anything in the working area, because working note also carries some marks, so maybe you get mark for this also. Working notes. So here I am doing calculation for the interest on capital. Remember, Shiv has bought 5 lakh rupees. whereas Hari bought 2 lakh plus 1 lakh. 1 lakh he has bought on 1st July 2017. So for this 1 lakh, Hari will be getting another interest on capital at the rate of 8% per annum for 9 months. As this amount 1 lakh is for 9 months during this financial year. So the calculation will be like Shiv 5 lakh into 8 divided by 100, and Hari will be provided 2 times. So first for 2 lakh, which will be for like 8% for 2 lakh, and next first 1 lakh for 8% for 9 months. So here Shiv's capital is 40,000 and Hari's capital is 22,000. Total will be 62,000. Next, the interest on capital will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. So first we will pass the narration for this entry. Next, we will pass journal entries for the next interest on capital second entry. That is profit and loss appropriation account, debit to narration will be the transfer of interest on capital. Next entry will be for the drawings. So here interest on drawing will be drawn for on the drawings which they have made. So Hari has drawn 12,000 rupees and Shiv has drawn 12,000 rupees and Hari has drawn 10,000 rupees during this financial year. So interest on drawing will be on that amount. Here one thing is that the drawing date is not given, so we will assume it will be for 6 months. So drawing here the interest on capital is something which is added in their capital, and interest on drawing is something which we are going to deduct from the capital. So interest on drawing will first we will credit the interest on drawing, and then we will credit it to the profit and loss appropriation account. So the entry will be Hari capital, Shiv capital to interest on drawing. Here drawing will be for 6 months. So here Shiv has drawn 12,000 rupees for 10%. Date has not given, so we will assume this for 6 months. Same as Hari has drawn 10,000 rupees for 10% for 6 months. So these are the interest on drawing for both. Hari 5,000 rupees sorry, 500 rupees, Shiv 600, total will be 1100. The narration for this entry will be the interest on partner's drawing. Next entry. Now it will be transferred to the profit and loss appropriation account. So the entry will be interest on drawing account, which we has sorry, account debit has not written here. Here the entry will be interest on drawing account debit to P&L appropriation account. So the last entry will be for the profit or loss which we are going to incur or gain, will be posted in the profit and loss appropriation account. So let's see, either we get profit or not. If the credit balance is more, then we will have a profit, and if the debit side is more, then we will get loss. So let's see. Here the 95,100 is our profit, so it will be divided among the partners between the according to the profit sharing ratio, which is 3:2. So the narration will be the transfer of credit balance to the profit and loss appropriation account. If we incurred any loss, here the narration will be the transfer of debit balance. So here our credit side is more, so we will transfer the credit side of the credit balance of the profit and loss appropriation account. So transfer of Now we are going to make the profit and loss appropriation account. Once the journal entries are being posted, this is very easy. This becomes very easy to post. So let me show you. So this is the journal entries which we have posted. So now we will find out where we have written the profit and loss appropriation account. So here in the first entry, then here in the third entry, this is also the profit and loss appropriation. Next, here is the appropriation. Now here is the appropriation. So now we are going to use all these entries for making the profit and loss appropriation account. First, starting from this entry, profit and loss appropriation account is in the two side, so we are going to post it to the other side. So here 2 is profit and loss appropriation account. Here in the this is the two side, this is one is the buy side. So here 2 the two, this one is credit, right? So here profit and loss is appropriation is already mentioned, so we are going to post it to the buy side, that is profit and loss appropriations credit side. So now buy, here we have written profit and loss account, so we are going to write here also profit and loss account. The amount was 1,60,000. Next, we will see in the third entry we have written profit and loss appropriation account debit to partner salary. Here on the buy side we have written profit and loss appropriation account. So we are going to post it to the to side. So here to partner salary. Two partners, Shiv and Hari. Shiv, let's see the division. Salary of both has got 20,000. Next, in this, that buy side has a profit and loss appropriation account, so we are going to post it to the to side. So to interest on capital, that to both the partners. So here let's see the amount. Yes, interest on capital to both 40,000 and 22,000. So next is here for the drawings, interest on drawing to profit and loss appropriation account. Here the two side on the two side it is written profit and loss appropriation account, so we are going to credit it, means buy side. Buy interest on drawings, Shiv and Hari. Shiv here Shiv 500, Shiv 600, Hari 500. So 600 and 500, total 1100. Next is the last entry where we have written profit and loss appropriation account debit to both the partners capital account. So here we have we got a profit. So profit here to profit transferred to Shiv and Hari. Now let's see the amount. 57,060, 57,060, and here 38,040. Both, adding both is 95,100, and the total amount is 1,97,100. So this is very easy to make profit and loss appropriation account after the posting of journal entries. So journal entries actually makes the accounts easy to make. And next we are going to make the partners capital account. So this is the partners capital account. Here this is the proper format for the partners capital account, where the date, particulars, the partners, how many the partners are, that many columns will be made. So here two partners Shiv and Hari, two column for both partners like Shiv and Hari. Then date, particular, Shiv and Hari, this one is the debit side, this one is the credit side. So let's start the posting into the partners capital account. Now this one is also very easy. This partners capital account will also be made using the journal entries we have posted. So here wherever the partners capital is posted, we have, wherever we entered the partners capital account, we have to post the opposite entry to the partners capital account. So like here Shiv and capital, first of all we have to post all those entries which we have seen in the question. So first how many capital they bought, on which date, if any drawings were made or not, this will be posted. So first we will post the capitals. So on 1st April 2017, Hari and Shiv both has bought capital to the business. So we will be enter it by using by bank. By bank, Shiv has bought 5 lakh, Hari 2 lakh. Then Hari has bought additional capital on 1st July 2017. So 1st July 2017, Hari bought additional capital. This will also be noted by bank. Shiv has not bought additional capital, so here we will not enter any amount. Here 1 lakh. Next, both has drawn some amount, so withdrawal will be on the debit side. So here withdrawal date was not given, so we have to enter the amount, it's the date of 31st March 2018. Drawings. Shiv has drawn 12,000, Hari 10,000. So first these entries are those which were given on the questions. Now we will enter the entries from the journal entries. So here Shiv's capital, Hari's capital, here partner salary. So here on the two side we have mentioned the capital account. So now we will enter this on the buy side. So buy salary, on which date has not given, 31st March 2018. Here salary was 20,000 for both. Next, this one is over. So next we will see the capital. Here also we have some capital account. So here also two sides, so we are going to post it on the buy side. This one is buy side actually, na? So we are going to post it on the buy side. Interest on capital. Buy interest on capital, same date, 31st March 2018, because the date is not mentioned here. So interest on capital amount is 40,000 and 22,000. So here 40,000 for Shiv and 22,000 for Hari. Now this one is also over. So now here interest on drawing. So now see, here on the buy side the capital accounts are given, so we are going to post it on the two sides. So 2 interest on drawings, date is not given, so 31st March 2018. 2 interest on drawings, 600 and 500. This is also over. Now see here the last entry also include the capital account. So here two side capital account, we are going to post it on the buy side. So buy P&L appropriation account, 31st March 18. Amounts were 57,060 and 38,040. Now we will see which side is more. Let's see the Hari side. Hari's credit side. So 2 lakh plus 1 lakh plus 20,000 plus 22,000 plus 38,040. It comes 38,040. So now Hari's debit side is 10,000 plus 500. So debit side is less, so we are going to enter here the carried down amount. So here 31st March 2018 to balance carried down. Here we got the amount on the credit side, we have to write it on the tally So we got 380 0040. This was the amount. So after deducting it from 10,500, we get 0040, this amount. So this will be our carried down amount, 369540. Same we will do for shift. So let's see. Maybe the credit side is more, so we are going to put this amount. This is very clear that this side is more. So 5 lakh plus 20,000, 5 lakh 20,000 plus 40,000 plus 57,060. So this is 617060 minus 12,600. The carried down amount is 604460. So this is our carried down amount.
Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to get notified.